Okay, day and time. We're here at Mass General Brigham Healthcare Center in Dover. Look what we got here. We got a Dover. Let's go to 3. Oh, it's raised. Let's get us to the road. Oh, it's a Stanley. You can kind of see the Dover logo underneath the Stanley logo. Here at 3. That was quick. Boy, do 2 rides. I'm in love with this cab. It's probably a snap cab. 1988, 1.5 feet a minute, fixtures, and a bone 88. We'll look one more time to do it. Got with impulse. Getting rid of the pictures. Get a photo of it. And as I was saying, there's a USA phone with no brand. Now I'll end it out one, because I want to just getting busted from here. It's got 2,500 pound capacity. It levels so quick though. There it goes. That's it.